Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diva Ash here and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, the gorgeous, stunning, amazing palette that it is, and we are going for like a pinkish kind of reddish look today. That was chosen by my little cousin. She's actually here today. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, so she wanted to choose the colors that I use today for this look. I already did this look in my last video or the next video, but if you obviously do want to see that, then click somewhere above or just go check my channel if it's already released. I'm not sure which one's going to be released first. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So guys, I've already done the base of my eyes, and I did that using the MAC soft ochre paint pot, and then I've set it using some translucent powder. So guys, the first shade I'm going in with is Cherry Wet. And let's have a look at the payoff. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. And we are literally going in on the crease area, and we are going to take that high up. Blend that all the way up. Guys, I've literally dipped into this shade once. That's it, once, and I've already got exactly what I needed from this. So guys, as you can see, the color payoff is absolutely amazing on this palette. And I'm not going for such a sharp edge. I'm literally just blending it all out. If you don't want to take it so low, you can clean that up afterwards with concealer. And that is that color done. So I'm now going in with the shade Raspberry, and I'm just going to stamp that on the outer corner. Ooh. That is a beautiful shade. Taking that about halfway. And then I'm going to proceed to blend it out. I'm taking this color slightly into the crease as well, just to blend out the two colors together really nicely. And for some reason, the colors don't look as intense. I'm just going to turn the light downwards slightly, just so you can see the intensity of it. It looks way better in real life than it actually does in the camera. So now, usually you would cut this crease area to add in a shimmer, but today I'm not going to cut it because I don't want to have such an intense look. I want it to kind of look like, not that it's messy or anything, but it literally took us 5 minutes to do, and it just looks cute and pretty, and yeah, so that's what we're going for. Jawbreaker kind of looks like I don't know how to describe it, but it looks like, oh, look at that. That is stunning. It's sort of like a goldy, creamy kind of shimmer, but it's beautiful. It's actually really nice. So I'm packing that on the area that we didn't actually have anything on. I'm sure if you were to wet your brush and use this, the payoff would be immense. So I'm just taking that raspberry color and I'm just going to pack it on the edge because I just want it all to blend in really nicely. So guys, I'm taking that same shade that we've put in here, it's called Jawbreaker. Sorry, I didn't actually tell you the name of it. I was just so mesmerized by how beautiful it was, and I'm taking that into my brow bone. It's like a goldy kind of, oh, it's just beautiful. Absolutely in love with this shade. Stunning. And that's basically the top half of the eye done. Now, using our same brush that we used to put on the raspberry, I'm gonna take that underneath the eye. I'm just going to intensify the lower lash line a bit more, and making sure to connect the two. I'm not taking it all the way in because I do want to put that Jawbreaker color there. So now guys, basically the eyeshadow is done. I'm going to go away. I'm going to put in some oh, I'm not sure what color to put in at the moment. I'm thinking maybe a cream at the bottom and then some really thick fluffy lashes. So I'll be back with the final look. So guys, this is the final look with the eyelashes. I've put on some TL3's Tatty eyelashes. They're still a bit wet, so excuse me if they're moving around while I'm talking, but you get the gist of it. So guys, yeah, so I absolutely love this palette. The colors are amazing, the payoff is amazing. They do have some bright bold colors, so for the summer I think it's going to be amazing to work with these shades. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys did like the video, then obviously leave me a big thumbs up, and if you found it informative, then subscribe to the channel for more informative eye looks. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. What? Guys, you heard her. Hit the notification button to get a notification every time I upload. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.